Why is personal protective equipment vital for kennel attendants? Imagine working closely with animals every day, knowing that some might scratch, bite, or carry illnesses. It's a busy, sometimes unpredictable environment. That's why personal protective equipment is so important. It acts like a shield, keeping kennel attendants safe from many hazards they face daily. When caring for animals in shelters or community programs, safety isn't just a priority, it's a necessity. Kennel attendants handle animals that can be scared, aggressive, or sick. They often work with animals that might bite or scratch if they feel threatened. Wearing gloves helps protect hands from injuries and from coming into contact with infectious materials. Protective clothing, like aprons or coveralls, keeps personal clothes clean and prevents the spread of germs. Eye protection is used to guard against splashes from cleaning chemicals or bodily fluids. Sometimes masks or respirators are needed to prevent inhaling dust, dander, or airborne bacteria. These safety tools are especially important when cleaning cages or handling animals with contagious diseases. For example, if an animal has a skin infection or respiratory illness, PPE helps prevent the spread to other animals and staff. PPE also helps prevent cross-contamination, which is vital in controlling disease outbreaks in shelters. Proper use of gloves and protective clothing supports good hygiene practices, like washing hands after touching animals. Kennel attendants are trained to choose the right PPE for each task. Routine cleaning might only need gloves and aprons, but handling aggressive or sick animals could require bite-resistant gloves, masks, and a protection. PPE is part of a larger safety plan that includes understanding animal behavior, using handling tools, and keeping the shelter clean. Using PPE is not just about safety. It's about making sure everyone stays healthy and the animals receive good care. It helps prevent injuries, stops the spread of diseases, and keeps the shelter a safe place for both animals and staff. Without PPE, the risks of illness and injury increase significantly. That's why it's a vital part of a kennel attendant's responsibilities in shelter and community animal care.